low-profile gaming keyboard.
Hi, I'm Elly. Welcome to my channel. I have used so many pro keyboards. Now let's get a non-pro keyboard, Razer Ornata V3 X gaming keyboard. This was my 6th keyboard, I believe. I got it at $70 when it was on discount, so I wasn't thinking too much. But when it came, I was impressed.
Slim, silent, ergonomic.
This video I will be showing you the unbox and the first impression. Okay, let's unbox it. After unboxing so many Razer keyboards, I immediately noticed something missing. There's no welcome letter this time, just the basics. You do get a manual, and the keyboard itself comes wrapped in a plastic bag, showing off its low-profile design right away. The keyboard is built with ABS plastic keycaps and a lightweight plastic chassis, coming in at just 0.71 kilograms. Now, the build quality does feel a bit cheap, but let's be fair, don't compare this to my other pro-tier keyboards. If you're coming from a standard office keyboard, the upgrade is noticeable. Inside the box, you'll also find a detachable wrist rest. It adds a nice touch of comfort for longer sessions. The wrist rest isn't magnetically attached, so it can slide around a bit, but it does have rubber feet on the bottom to help reduce slipping. Compared to the soft rubber wrist rests I've used with other Razer keyboards, I prefer this textured plastic one. It feels more solid and is much easier to keep clean. Okay, here is the keyboard itself. It looks quite nice. Have a feel, guys. The layout is clean, the lighting gives it a subtle glow, and overall, it definitely doesn't scream budget at first glance. If you're into that minimalist look without sacrificing function, this might just tick the box. The Razer provides 3 options. The first level gives the keyboard a slight tilt that feels natural for long typing sessions without putting strain on the wrists. The second level raises it further. Great if you prefer a steeper angle or sit a bit higher relative to your desk. The default flat position is decent too, especially when paired with the included wrist rest. It's nice that Razer gives this level of flexibility even on an entry-level board. The keys are low profile, which means they have a shorter travel distance and a softer feel compared to mechanical switches. The keyboard feels great overall, super responsive and comfortable for typing. I wouldn't call this a competitive gaming keyboard, but for everyday use and general typing, it really does the job. One thing I really appreciate, the keys don't double register or triple register like I experienced with the Razer Black Widow V3 Pro. And best of all, it works straight out of the box. No firmware fixes needed. I'm a fan of the Razer brand, and even after my last keyboard started acting up, I still found myself coming back to Razer. This one feels like a solid choice given its price tag. The keys are UV coated, so they are durable for use. I found some reviews online saying the lettering on several keys has completely rubbed off, but in my experience so far, the keycaps seem to be holding up well after weeks of daily use. It's worth noting that heavy typists or those with oily hands might see faster wear over time, but for casual gaming and regular typing, the durability feels acceptable for the price. Still, if you're looking for double shot or PBT keycaps, this isn't the board for you, but then again, at this price point, it's hard to complain. This keyboard is equipped with Razer's membrane switches. That's why it has a quiet and soft typing experience. ideal for shared spaces or late-night use. Listen. According to Razer, it supports macro programming and key customization through the Razer Synapse software. However, when I first plugged it in, Synapse didn't recognize the keyboard at all. I had to restart the software to get it worked. The functionality was limited. It seems like this model only supports the very basic features in Synapse. For example, lighting is a single zone only, so if you're someone who likes to highlight specific keys, like a WASD for gaming, you won't be able to do that here. It technically supports Synapse, yes, but don't expect the full suite of options you'd find on Razer's higher-end keyboards. So, I like it a lot. It's not a pro gaming keyboard, but I'm not a pro gamer. If you're looking for a clean, quiet, and low-profile keyboard under $100, I'd recommend this keyboard for students, home office setups, or casual gamers who want the Razer look without the premium price tag. But if you're into competitive gaming or want deep customization, you'll probably want to step up to something like the Black Widow or Huntsman series. For Ornata, it does the job well. It's comfy, quiet, and looks better than you'd expect at this price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm Elly. See you in my next one.